Alright, what's going on, guys? I will take you on a little night POV drive in a 16 M4 F82 competition. Let's roll. Too bad I can't really record a good audio of this single mid pipe because it sounds absolutely sick. Maybe I'll try tossing a microphone in the trunk and then see what happens in another video. But I tried taping microphones kind of all over in the back there, as well as hooking up the action camera, the GoPro, but I mean DJI is what I use, and it doesn't sound good. It sounds like ass. And of course inside it's not the same. You can't hear it, unfortunately. Yeah, so recently I did these ambient lights. The install, I can put a link in the description to the install as well as the product that I got. They were like 50 bucks and change. So honestly, for $50 mod, this is insane. This ambient light is so good. Like, it transformed the way the car looks at night drastically. Let me see if I can turn it off for a second. Oop, I killed the lights completely, but you got the idea. The only thing I don't like is that what just happened. The startup animation looks horrible. I can't turn it off. But once we're past that point, then it's fine. But yeah, I have a full video on this, so I don't want to go through it right now, especially with the action camera in front of my eyes. I can barely see where I'm going to begin with. Just wanted to give you a little POV drive when I'm on the way to home from long week at work. This is my Friday, and I'm off 4 days. Super pumped. And yeah, you guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna cut it right here. Don't want to make long videos because people don't have the time to watch them for too long. So right here, signing out. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video as usual. You know what to do. Till the next one. Peace.